Competitors, when you're ready, please hit your tap out button. All right, last resort is ready. Cheat code's waiting to start up, getting connected, looking good. And cheat code is ready too, so the match will begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, box rush, fast across, sparks flying. Last resort, staying aggressive. Cheat code hoping to get a nice hit, take off some of those juicy tires. Ooh, foam everywhere. We're gonna have to clean up again. Oh, big hit there. A little wedgelet came off. Big hit again. Trap door is open. Taking damage, but it just keeps on going. Big hit again. Last resort upside down, but again able to run inverted. So it comes down to excellent piloting. Good driver skills, can adapt. Cheat code keeps laying on the hits. Not getting anything too juicy yet, not able to disable him. Ooh, playing around the trap door there. More sparks. Nice. Oh, another pulley. That might be weapon drive pulley. "25 seconds remaining in the match, and it looks like cheat code has lost its primary weapon, so it's down to a push match. Hopefully somebody can get the other one into the trap door. Otherwise, it'll go to a judge decision. And we are down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the match is over. Stop robots. And to a judge's decision then.
It is a long judge's decision on that one. Tough fight between last resort.
All right, it was a
cheat
tough
code.
judge's deliberation.
Here we go. Here's the results.
Very close score, but we're going to end up going with your winner, Last Resort. Just to clarify for the spectators how the judging process works, we score each robot on 3 categories. There's damage, aggression, and control. Each category is equal scoring, and the idea is you see which robot had more control. In other words, they had control of their opponent, dictating where the match would go. Aggression, who just kept up the relentless attacks instead of backing away. And then damage, who actually caused more damage. And that can be a difficult thing because if in the case of the last match, cheat code actually ended up losing his primary weapon, not necessarily directly through the fall of his opponent, but because he absorbed the hits. It was all that energy going back in that he failed to survive, whereas opponent can keep going and going.